Looking for useful Amazon products? This channel is all about smart gadgets and trending finds from Amazon USA. From kitchen tools to everyday essentials, I share products that are actually worth buying.
Let's start with number 1. The Enchanti Tea Pot is a stylish glass teapot with a built-in infuser. It brews loose leaf tea effortlessly, keeping leaves separate for a smooth, mess-free cup. Made with heat-resistant borosilicate glass and a comfortable wood grain handle. It's perfect for 2 to 4 cups of tea. The Homnoble Pickle Jar is a smart storage jar designed for pickles and wet foods. It features a built-in strainer that separates liquid from solids, making it easy to grab pickles, olives, or fruits without the mess. The airtight lid helps keep food fresh and prevents spills. Number 3 on our list is the YouCopia dishwasher pod holder, which keeps dishwasher pods neatly stored, dispenses 1 pod at a time with its gravity-fed design to reduce mess and waste, and features a clear container, so you always know when it's time to refill. Number 4 on our list is the Nutribullet EveryGrain cooker, a versatile countertop appliance that takes the guesswork out of cooking grains by using one-touch programs to perfectly cook rice, quinoa, oats, and more, delivering consistent results every time while making healthy, home-cooked meals easy and convenient. Number 5 on our list is the Hellojin bamboo fruit basket, a beautifully crafted, eco-friendly bamboo basket that not only keeps your fruits fresh longer with breathable storage, but also adds a clean, modern, and natural aesthetic to your kitchen countertop, making it perfect for everyday use or as a stylish centerpiece for your dining area. Number 6 on our list is the stainless steel oil filter pot, a high-quality, durable kitchen essential that helps you safely and efficiently filter used cooking oil by removing food particles, extending the life of your oil, and keeping your kitchen clean. Number 7 on our list is the NexaEase portable blender, a compact and powerful personal blender designed for smoothies, shakes, and fresh juices on the go. With its rechargeable battery, durable blades, and easy-to-clean design, it allows you to blend fruits, vegetables, and protein shakes anytime, anywhere, making healthy living simple, convenient. Number 8 on our list is the ArteiWo magnetic wrap dispenser, a smart and convenient kitchen tool designed to securely hold and dispense plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper with ease. Its magnetic mounting allows it to attach to any metal surface, keeping your countertop organized and clutter-free, while the built-in cutter ensures smooth, straight cuts every time, making food storage and meal prep faster, cleaner, and more efficient for any home cook. Number 9 in our list is Joseph Spice Rack Organizer. The Joseph Spice Rack Organizer is a space-saving kitchen storage solution that attaches under a cupboard shelf to help organize your spice jars. It makes use of the unused vertical space inside kitchen cabinets, so you don't have to stack jars on the counter or lose them in a messy cupboard. Number 10 in our list is Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater. The Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater is a manual hand-crank grater that makes grating cheese and vegetables fast, safe, and effortless. It comes with interchangeable stainless steel blades and a food pusher, letting you grate, slice, or julienne your ingredients without touching sharp edges. Its suction base keeps it stable on your countertop, and is the magnetic spice rack, a smart and space-saving kitchen organizer designed to keep your spices neatly arranged and easily accessible. It securely attaches to refrigerators or other metal surfaces using strong magnets. Number 12 in our list is a STIRLEX Pancake Batter Dispenser, is a manual batter pourer designed to help you dispense pancake batter cleanly and precisely onto a griddle or pan. It works great for pancakes, waffles, crepes, muffins, cupcakes, and other batter-based foods, giving you even portions with less mess than a ladle or bowl. Number 13 in our list is Zulay Orange Juice Squeezer. The Zulay Orange Juice Squeezer is a manual citrus juicer that helps you extract fresh juice from oranges, lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits easily and efficiently. It's designed to press every last drop of juice without electricity and is ideal for homemade drinks like fresh orange juice, lemonade, and cocktails. Number 13 on our list is the Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener, a powerful and convenient kitchen gadget designed to automatically open tight, stubborn jar lids with the push of a button. Ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with limited hand strength. Number 15 on our list is the Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker, a powerful and versatile blender designed to create ultra-smooth smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich bowls in seconds. That's all for today's list. If you enjoyed this video and found these kitchen gadgets helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our